As the saying goes, in the end, you always go back to the people that were there in the beginning. I'm on my way to Nagaland for a school reunion. I'm so excited as I'm going to meet my classmates after many decades. I've reached Dimapur. From Dimapur, I, along with a few of my other classmates, will go to a place called Dzuleke. Dzuleke is a small, beautiful village which comes under Kohima. Two of my classmates are also flying down from Delhi for the reunion. I'm also planning to go to Twensang to meet few of my friends after the reunion. The aerial view from the aircraft of the Mapu city and the outskirts are mesmerizing. It's so beautiful outside. We are trekking up a hill at Dzuleke to see a fish breeding center. It seems that the fish that is bred here is brought from Jammu and Kashmir. Chuba, itu Mokchung berana? Noksen do kiman kilometer?
36 আছে
Oh, acha.
ট্ৰেইনচাংলি যাইলিবি
Ah,
ৰাতিপুৱা যাবলৈ মোৰ নিয়ে না হ'লেও আমি গ'লে উফানি ৰাস্তাটো এতিয়া ইমান ভাল নাথাকা প্ৰায়
there are beautiful flower plants on both sides of the path, and that made a walk spectacular. Look at the beautiful flowers. There's a beautiful picnic spot at Dzuleke surrounded by hills. There were many batches of college students who had come for a picnic. We didn't go down as we planned to visit Poilwa sheep farm and then catch up for dinner at Kohima. The river was so tempting. I wanted to go down and wet my legs. But due to time constraint, we had to skip and went ahead to Poilwa sheep farm. And this is Poilwa sheep farm. We were denied entry at the sheep farm as the sheep were not well and just so few from outside.
Oh, that means it's a farm, the pura sheep last the.
শিপ পাম
Huh? Oh, yeah. Kerala, Delhi, Queensland, Singapore, Kohima, Nakla. Ayah, itu lo boleh bangun. Saki itu dito.
What?
Saki. Oh, tu boleh buat bakery. Bakery lah betul.
As we came on a weekend, there were many picnickers and most of them were college students. The view from this place is magnificent and the place looks like a miniature replica of Switzerland. Look at the mountains around and the green grass. It's so beautiful. I'll be taking back a lot of memories, which is going to warm up my heart later in the future.
I do the, this will be screen cover the Hollywood.